Hello, friends. It is Franny of Shine with Franny, and I help entrepreneurs get their businesses online through media, marketing, and messaging. And so today I'm here to share some information, hopefully help my fellow service-based entrepreneurs. So let's start off by first identifying the two kinds of businesses. One is you have a service-based business, and the other is you have a product-based business. So a service-based business is something obviously that you are providing a service. Perhaps you're a graphic designer, perhaps you're a fitness trainer, perhaps you're a dentist. You might even be, a person who helps with events and event planning or marketing strategy. That would be a service-based business. And then, of course, you offer a product-based business. You might have a product-based business, and maybe you're making something. Maybe you're making furniture for someone, or you're actually physically providing a product such as, pens or iPods or something that could be shipped to someone's house that is a physical, tangible product. So that's where we're going to start today. I offer a service. I do a lot of content writing for people. I help with strategy. I help with marketing, lead generation, a variety of things that are all services. And so oftentimes people will ask me, well, how do I package up services? So let's start off by anchoring that with services that you already know that are already packaged. So you might receive in the mail those little flyers and promotional materials that might say, hey, let's get a dental cleaning. And it's going to include, at your new dentist in the neighborhood. And it's going to include maybe Xrays and a dental cleaning and an exam. They've packaged their 3 services and they've put it together into a package. Or you also might get one of those little flyers, maybe some carpet cleaning. And they're like, hey, 3 rooms for $149. That's also another way that they're packaging their services. I know that at one time I was very honored and privileged to be able to have Cavs tickets, and they did the same thing. They said, okay, you're going to get 12 games, and then you're going to get these club seat passes, and you're going to get early admission. They still package that because guess what? Entertainment is a service-based business. Like basketball, NBA, very much a service-based business. Even though you're getting something, there's no physical product. They're actually entertaining you. So it's very very abstract. It's not the concrete like a product-based business. So when creating your own packaging and your own offer around your service-based products, because they still are products, I always like to think about the number 3, okay? 3, 5, 7, they always say try to do things that are in odd numbers. But you also want to try to put 3 items together and then have 3 different packages. So there was a study that was done, and you may have heard me reference this. I talk about this a lot, but there was a study that was done in a grocery store. You know how you go through Costco or a local grocery store, Harris Teeter, Publix or whatever, and they offer you jam or they offer you, hey, try this kind of cheese. You never want to have more than 3 kinds, because what happens is people get so overwhelmed they actually don't make a choice. They don't make a decision. And they've done study upon study to see what is kind of the magic number. And it is the number 3. So you only want to offer no more than 3. You want to have more than 1. And you really don't want to have, the 2 is good. But if you can go for 3, that's the best thing. You want to try to bundle that together. So perhaps if you are a personal trainer or fitness trainer, you might say, okay, this is going to be the initial assessment. You're going to get, the week coaching, package, and maybe you put together a diet or nutrition, model for them. Or perhaps if you are, if you're offering maybe, a graphic designer, maybe you say, okay, the first package is kind of like the beginner bundle, and you're going to get the logo, you're going to get a discovery call, and then you're going to get your branding colors. And then if you, then you can kind of go up from there and say, okay, the next package would be this, and then the third package would be this, and they would be offered at different price points. Now, here's another little rule of thumb that you should know. Most people end up going right down the middle. They usually pick the middle option. And there's, again, a lot of psychology and lots of information, but I really try to keep these videos 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm not going to go into all of that, but I just want you to know that you want to try to put together as many of your product, a couple of different ideas and products together, your service-based products together. And if you do have a physical product that you sell, I know some people, if they're fitness trainers, they have like a little journal or a little guide or something like that. Or they throw in, if they're sponsored or have an affiliate, they'll throw in like, a booty band or something like that. Even a headband or a t-shirt that kind of packages it and kind of makes it, that really special offer. So just to recap, you guys, if you are a service-based business, you really want to try to be able to package your items, package your product in threes. You want to have 3 different offers for people, and you want to try to be able to put a couple different things within that offer. That is really going to make it appealing. Even though people are going to go kind of down the middle, you will have some people who are going to take the higher end offer, and then of course people who are going to be at the lower end offer as well. But really try to package something so it's right down the middle. I hope this was helpful for you. Please make sure you share this with somebody if you know that they are a service-based entrepreneur. And of course, follow me on all different platforms. I love to hear from you as well. So if this was helpful for you, or if you want more feedback, on maybe like how to package it and how to put it together and you're not really sure where to go, please, by all means, email me, hello@shinewithfranny.com. I'd be happy to try to help you put that together so you can have your 3 different offers with your three different items in each one. Much love to you guys. Have a great day and a great week.